Hey everybody, it's time for another Facebook Live with Mission to Organize. I'm Schae Lewis, one of the co-founders, and this is Alex.
Hi.
She is a professional organizer with us, but guess what? She's also a personal trainer. So she's gonna tell us all about what she does as a personal trainer and give us some tips for our home gym. So take it away, Alex.
That's right. When I'm not on site working to help M2O clients get organized, I'm working at the gym helping my personal training clients achieve their health and fitness goals. I specialize in a form of strength training, that's super slow motion strength training. Yeah, that's right, Schae.
I'm demonstrating.
Yes, exactly, my model here. But it's not always practical to make it to the gym, as we've seen this past year, especially with the pandemic. So today we're going to be talking about some great ways to build a home gym setup in the comfort of your own home.
Exactly. So there are some essentials that people need. So Alex is going to go through a couple of the basic things that you're going to want to have in your home gym.
Absolutely. And I think there are really some essential questions to ask first. First, you need to figure out what exactly it is you like to do or what workouts you might be interested in trying. Next, you need to figure out where your home gym is going to live and how you're going to keep it organized. And finally, consider your budget. And once you've gone over all three of those points, it's really going to help you figure out exactly what you need to build your ideal home gym. But no matter what you like to do or where you're working out in your home, there are a few items I'd recommend that everyone own. The first is a yoga mat. And a yoga mat is so great, yes, because it's so versatile. It protects our floors, speaking of our home gym.
Yeah.
And it's really great for safety, actually, because it lessens the impact on the joints when you're working out on your yoga mat. And it also adds stability if you're working out on a hardwood floor, like I know I always am. So definitely invest in a good yoga mat that's not going to slip. The next, it's really important to have a mirror. So when you're working out on your own, you're not in the gym with all these mirrors around you, you're not working out with the help of a personal trainer, you want to make sure that you're taking even more responsibility to have proper form. And one thing I want to say about having a mirror, you don't want to stay looking in the mirror throughout your whole workout. If that's not proper form. I know, I love to watch myself in the mirror as much as anyone, but it's really important just before you start the motion to check your form in the mirror, make sure everything's aligned and you're going to keep everything safe, and then proceed as normal. The last thing, and this is my absolute favorite piece of home gym equipment, or maybe just gym equipment, is a set of resistance bands. And these are so great for so many reasons. The main reason is that any movement you do, you can add resistance to it. And these are so flexible, you can get them anywhere at any price point, and they're really compact, so that makes them great for organizing your home gym and also taking them on the go, whether you travel or remember traveling, or to the office, wherever you like to work out. So definitely invest in some resistance bands, whatever you like. You can get the long, straight ones that are just end to end. Those are great for anchoring to pieces of heavy furniture in your home. So you tie it around the base of your sofa, and all of a sudden you have a rope pulling system. Just an idea of how to use resistance bands. Or if you like to really focus on the lower body, I'd recommend getting the bands that are actually the loops. Those are great for lower body work. So a yoga mat, a mirror, resistance band. So those are the three things. If you're going to buy any piece of essential home gym equipment, start there.
Okay, so here comes our train. We're in the city of Chicago. What are you gonna do? It's rush hour. So hopefully you can still hear us. But so there are gonna be some of you out there that don't want to buy a bunch of stuff, right? You're like, okay, I just want to work out at home. So Alex is gonna give us some tips on what you can do at home as far as workouts without having to buy a bunch of equipment or something.
Exactly, and there are countless options. Here's a tip that I actually just learned this week. You can wear a backpack, any backpack you have, and fill it up. Weight it down with objects that are in your home. So some ideas for that are you go to your pantry, get a bag of rice, a bag of beans, put it in your backpack. Another great thing about the backpack is you can wear it on your front side or your back side. So maybe you want to do some body weight squats, or maybe you want to get some cardio in. Fill up your backpack, put it on your back, walk up the stairs of your home or your apartment building, wherever you live. Another great idea for filling up, adding weight to your backpack, is using reusable water bottles. And what I really like about the water bottles is you can scale the volume and the weight, so you can really customize it to your fitness needs. And then once you're done with your backpack workout, take out those water bottles and you can use them as dumbbells. And that's just another great way, target those biceps. You can also look for things like cans in your pantry. Those can be a little hard to use.
Cans of tomatoes.
Cans of tomatoes. Again, they come in different sizes. Those are great. Or wine bottles. That's another favorite among people.
Ooh,
Yeah,
and then
we
you
know
can
have
drink it
that.
afterwards.
Exactly. That's the best part of working out at home, because once you're done, your sofa's right there, your
Yeah.
wine's there, you're ready to chill. You got in your hard work, you're ready to go. What else? Yes. So if you don't have a set of gliders, you can always use hand towels or washcloths to put under your feet for something like mountain climbers. That's also going to help protect your hardwood floors. Or if you are someone who has paper plates at home, those are another great option for
I've seen
gliders
that.
on the floor.
I've seen that.
Yeah, so those are some other ideas. If you're not looking to go out and invest and build a home gym, you can start with what's already in your home.
I love it, love it, love it. I have started working out from home since the pandemic. I got rid of my gym membership, and so I've been slowly adding things. So I think I need those resistance bands.
You have to get resistance bands. Number one, everyone go get resistance bands.
So we're talking about organizing your home gym all month. So check us out right here on Facebook, on Instagram. We have a checklist. Our blog is up. So stay tuned for more great tips and a video and the newsletter coming out soon. We can't wait to see you next time on Facebook Live. Bye.